It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Alright. The majority of the channel is not frozen. The stuff around here is frozen. The main crater kind of looks cool out there. Let's see, where am I? There we go. That kind of looks neat. The frozen ice going around the edge. Kind of cool. Frozen in the middle of the main crater, which has gone completely dormant. But this guy, he's still going. Looks like he's gained some girth in his time. And we still got one going. Oh, wait. That one. It's a going too. So those two little ones are still going. That one there is dead as well. Oh, my feet. Hello, feet. But, well, we're getting the precipitation I wanted. That one's actually flowing pretty good. You can see the plume going way out there. It's kind of cool. All right. Hopefully there will be more later.